Hey, the Random Gamer here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be instructing you on how to equip your weaponry to serve the ruler. Alright, as you can see, I've got the uniform. Which I showed you how to put on the uniform in my last video. Okay, so say I didn't have any weaponry, you would equip your divisional weaponry. Sometimes it differs on division, sometimes there's not even a requirement on what weapons you use, but you always want to be sure on what your divisional uh, code is with weaponry. So, equip your secondary weapons, which for you mostly would be like a pistol or so. What the hell happened? Okay. Medikit. And there you go. That's how you equip stuff. Hello, sir. And that's about it. Don't know what else to say, but have a good day. The Random Gamer out. I will record more videos later today. I'm just getting set up. The Random Gamer out. See you guys.